Yo guys, I'm back again with another video guys. I was offline for 1 week and I was so stressed and confused, like I never knew what to do next because my phone was crashed guys. So I was in with you for a long time now. Yeah, to me a week is a long time, so I'm sorry guys, but today I'm back and I'm back forever. And always know that I'm gonna drop each and every day. I drop 2 videos each and every day guys, so always be there to watch these videos guys. And I want to say sorry guys. I want to say sorry to you all guys. I want to say sorry guys. Like I saw a lot of comments on my other videos, like people saying that sometimes I talk faster sometimes, but I want to fix that. I want to fix that now. So maybe I will talk louder and slowly. So guys, I'm gonna fix each and everything. So I wanna say sorry. Like my other content, like maybe it was a trash. I don't know, but I wanna say sorry to you guys. I wanna say sorry. I will talk well for you so that you'll understand each and every time when I talk. So the purpose of the video guys is how to make 2.5 rand, 2,500 rand guys, is what I'm talking about. The purpose of the video is how to make that kind of money, but it's not 100% accurate guys, but I'm showing you my strategy to make that money guys, with betting 7 teams guys. Only 7 teams. You only need 7 teams to make that 2,500 rand. I have tried and it worked for me, and I'm not saying like maybe today you're gonna make that 2.5. No, I'm not saying that. Maybe today you can try. Maybe you lose just because of 1 team, but not 5 teams. No, Hamastelle don't do that guys. You can lose maybe 1 team, but you need to try guys. You need to try. You have to be patient with Betway guys. You cannot come today and win, and like each and every day you learn guys. So I suggest you stay on this channel, and I will go with you, I will grow with you, so that you understand guys and how you can bet guys. I don't want you to lose guys. I'm so sorry if you ever tried and lose. I think now it's time for you to hit on Betway guys. So always stay on this channel. I'm gonna show you how you can literally analyze and maximize the chances of winning on Betway guys. I want to show you guys with all my heart. I love you guys. I know you love me too. Please, if you like me, or you like, if you like my contents and you like the way I teach you, please comment down and say I like your content, and I will appreciate guys. So I will know that maybe I will know how many people that like my content and how many people that don't like my content guys. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and so that each and every time when I drop guys, because I drop every day, you will be the first one to get this video guys. So guys, let's go guys. And the one thing I want to make something clear guys. So I want to tell you, like, if you coming to my channel and expect to make 50,000 rand or 100,000 rand guys, that won't be possible, because I'm not teaching you how to make 100,000 rand. No. I'm teaching you guys how you can make yourself some money guys when you're chilling at home. I'm teaching you how to make money guys. Like on my channel, like, it's all about finance. My channel is all about finance. I always research something for you guys, so that like everything that I do, I'm gonna drop it into my channel guys. Like, so don't come here and expect to make millions of friends. Like, there's not a channel for you guys. I'm gonna show you how to make some extra cash with a little investment guys. Sometimes you don't invest, because I'm dropping some free apps for you. I'm dropping some free apps on websites that you can make money free guys. So where you need to invest is on Betway. On Betway, guys, you will need to invest so that you can make money on Betway. You don't come and bet with no money. You need money to invest. If you are new to Betway, just comment down and say I am new to Betway. I'll make a video for you for how to register, how to set everything up, and how you can start your first bet on Betway. So comment down so that I will know how many people need this video. So I'm gonna drop this video guys. So guys, let's go to the video guys. Yo guys, today guys, I decided to drop this video because a lot of people are complaining. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to analyze on Betway, because some of the people are commenting on my videos and saying that I don't explain things very well. So guys, but I am sorry for that, please forgive me. So I'll try to maybe slower my voice so that I don't rush fast, so that you can hear me clearly, guys. So the purpose of the video, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can analyze analyze Betway, guys, so fast. So guys, thank you for clicking on this video to watch. So guys, before we get into it, please guys, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that each and every time when I drop, you'll be the first one to get a video, guys. So guys, basically now I want to show you how you can analyze, guys, step by step. I just want to show you so that you can understand. I'm tired, you guys always complaining, but I understand. I am the problem, so we're gonna solve it right now. I want to show you how you can analyze. If you never watched this any of my video, guys, just go and watch them all so that you can understand on Betway. If you're a newbie, if you're a beginner, so guys, go and watch my other videos where I show beginners how they can bet, on how they can start registering on Betway. It's basically on my channel, so you can go there and watch, and so that you can understand before you get on this video. Because if this video is for people who are already betting on Betway, people who are already winning, or people who are already losing on Betway. If you are losing on Betway, this video is your video. So watch this video until the end so that you won't miss any step. Yeah. So guys, the first thing I wanna tell you guys, if you come here and bet now, cause Betway is okay. Let me change the color here, guys. Let me try to change the color. So the first thing that you need to understand, guys, when you come here and trying to bet, make sure you bet a combo, guys. Betting maybe so many teams won't give you a luck to win on Betway. So if you can maybe change, maybe you can choose a combo. Like what I mean by a combo, I mean like maybe you're choosing a come on. What I basically mean, guys, by saying a combo, you're choosing both team to score, maybe both team to score, and choose two matches, and then you choose a double chance or next goal. If you are not a beginner, you basically know what I'm talking about, guys. So try to do that. So maybe you make your teams to maybe 7 teams. Don't put maybe don't put 8 teams or 14 teams above. Just slower down and choose 7 teams downwards, so that you can win your bet, guys. Because if you choose so many teams, we won't get a chance to win. Sometimes you can win, but it's a risky, guys. It's a risky. So, and on Betway, when you bet, you have to make a profit, guys. You have to make a profit, because if you are not making a profit, that's wrong and that's bad, guys. It seems like you're losing, so, and you never make a profit, and that's bad. That's bad. We all want to win on Betway. So guys, let's go. Let me show you how you can analyze this in a minute, guys. So if you can come here, as you can see, are 2 teams, guys. Are 2 teams. The name of the teams, number 1 here is Tottenham. Yes, it's a Tottenham, yeah. And that one is Brighton. It's bright. Yeah, it's a Brighton. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. So guys, if you come here, guys, you're gonna, for me, guys, I'm always choosing the low odds, guys, because when I choose the low odds, what I realized that basically when I choose the low odds, the chances of me winning is very high, and I always check here, guys. I always check here. So if the draw is 4.30, these teams like sometimes they won't just maybe commit a draw, because here is 4, guys. It's 4. if it was one, I would choose draw, just because the chances of these teams to commit a draw is very high. That's my strategy, guys. Don't doubt my strategy. That's how I analyze Betway. If you don't understand, or maybe I'm wrong to you, just comment down there and say you are wrong. I will understand, but this is my strategy and it's working for me. I'm not saying that it can work for everybody, but if you can try, maybe it can work for you too, guys. That's my strategy. So as we go on, guys, as you can see, for me, as I told you, I would choose this one just because there's the low odds, guys. So I could choose that. So let's come to another teams. This one and this one. This one. Now, guys, I'm slow. I'm trying to make this. I'm trying to make this so clearly to you. I want you to understand, guys. I want you to understand. I'm not rushing. I'm not talking faster so that you won't understand. No, I'm trying to slow down because people, they got me in my head. Hey, you're running fast. You're talking fast. I don't know. People are always complaining, so I'm trying to fix that. So as you can see here, I was talking about this Man United and Norwich. It's Norwich, yeah, something like that. As you can see here on draw, as I told you guys, it's 6.20 on draw. For me, these teams won't commit a draw. For me, like all my strategy that I'm using, it won't commit a draw. So if it won't commit a draw, as you can see, this one is 11.00, and this one here is 1.25. And this team, guys, is a big team, as you know. For my analysis, I see a big team with a lower odds. I see a big team with a lower odds. If the team has a lower odds, for me, it's a big team. So I choose that. If a big team playing with a small team, it means a big team will win. But it's not like every time. But for my strategy, I always choose the low odds for me. So I can choose Man United. I hope you understand. But things that I want you to understand is this ones, guys. If the draw odds are higher, the chances of the draw of this team to draw, guys, is very low, guys. For me, it's very low. I'm not saying that they cannot draw. They can, but it's very low. So, guys, I'm just showing you what is working for me, guys. I'm just showing you what is working for me. So I've chose two teams now, as you can see. So I want to show you on this particular. I want to show you this one. And this one, I guess you're following, guys. If you're following, just comment there, say I'm following. Just comment there and say I'm following. So as you can see, look at these teams, guys. Yeah, this team is Watford, and this one is Brentford, and Watford. They look alike. Okay. So, guys, as you can see, look at the draw here. It's 3.25, and this one is 2.85, and this one is 2.55. As you can see, they are too close. Like the odds are not that high. Like they are too close. This one is so frustrating. Like, it's not easy for me to analyze, just because their odds are. I look the same, a little bit me energy. I look the same, like. So okay, for me, as you can see on draw is 3.25, and on Brentford here is 2.55. On Watford is 2.85. For me, I could choose this one. Why? Just because it's 2.55 and it's lower. For me, it's a big team. All of these teams, guys, are big, but for me, I would choose this one, guys. I don't know for you, but I would choose this one, guys. This one could work well for me. So, guys, I will try to bet this bet. I will try to put 20 rand on my account. So bet these teams, so that the next video it will be about this one. I should tell you if I won, if I got it, or if I didn't, guys. I just want to be open with you guys, because people are saying that, this guy what. So guys, yeah, I've choose Brentford. So I hope now you understand. So what about this one? Let me show you this one. And remember, choose 7 teams downwards, don't go up, because you'll lose the bet. Always understand that this one is Southampton, no, I can't spell this one. Something, yeah, something like that. Something like that, guys. So okay. Okay, so look at the draw here. Obviously, Arsenal will take the game. Arsenal will take the game. Why? Just because it has a lot. It's a big team. It will take the game. As you see on draw, the chances of making a draw is not that. It's not that lower. But for me, I would choose Arsenal, guys. And you need to choose Arsenal too, guys. I wanna go with you. I don't want to leave you behind. So guys, as you can see now, you know how to choose, guys. I've shown you 4 teams now. So you basically you can do this repeatedly, guys. You can do this repeatedly until you add these teams to 7 teams. Don't go up. Remember, don't go up. Don't go up. So I will choose these teams. I'll choose until to be 7, guys. I've shown you guys, now you understand, guys. I've shown you how you can choose. So I wanna bet. So if I put 10 rand, my profit will be 300 rand. But remember, I wanna put 20 rand. If I put 20 rand, it's going to be 601 rand. So let's put 50 rand and see. 50 rand, or it's a little bit. What about 70 rand? Not 700, 70 rand, man. Okay, with 70 rand, guys, get 2,100 rand, guys. So as you can see, it's a good profit. And look at the odds at 27, guys. The odds are not that high. It's 27.36. That's a good odds, guys. That's a good odds. If you put 70 rand, guys, you get 2,000 rand, guys. 2,000 rand with my strategy, choosing 7 teams, guys. So as you can see, the chances of winning is very high. Like the teams are 7 are not that high. Like you won't get frustrated, guys, just because the teams are not that many. So that, will I win, will I win, it's going to be good for you. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys. I will drop another video and tell my results. As I told you, I'm gonna bet here now. I'm gonna bet, but because I never recharged my account, I'll just recharge maybe later. I will come back and bet, so that guys you can see. So, but I'll make a video and bet in front of you guys. I'll make a video to bet in front of you guys. I think that will be my next video, maybe today at night. I'm gonna make that video for you guys. So make sure you stay on my channel to watch more, guys. Thank you. And remember, I said sorry for the other videos that I messed up with the voice. Maybe you couldn't hear me well. So guys, I'm sorry. Please forgive me for that. If you have forgiven me, please comment down, say I forgive you. Thank you for watching this channel, guys. Thank you. I love you all, guys, and I will make sure that I will be really reliable with you guys. Yeah. Thank you for watching.